Is this thing on? Alright guys, welcome back to the second part of this video. Dually TV. This is the part 2. So we're going to continue on the hydro build. I'm here at BC Garage. This is like my second home. Brandon and Moni, you guys know I love you. And yeah, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is that metal plate that I was talking about in the last video. We need to drill holes in it and fit it correctly. So let's go ahead and start that. Alright guys, so we basically took off the bottom panel from here, and what we're gonna do is just fit it onto this metal piece. I kind of marked it out while I was in the car, and now we know where to drill the holes, so I can just leave it like this, and then one dot. Okay, and the second one right there. So now you see we have the 2 dots, and that's what we're gonna go by. Alright guys, so basically we got the 2 main holes done for this, and then these 3 holes are just gonna be weld-in holes to give it some more stability on the tunnel.
You hurt?
You hurt? Yeah. And then, so now the next step is gonna be to shave down the paint that's in the tunnel. Basically right here. The paint that's right there in the tunnel, and weld it on. There's Moni. Brennan. Alright guys, so Brennan had the idea to weld in screws instead. So I just welded these in, and basically this will sit that way, and the screws will be sticking up. So this piece will just sit right on top of it. Alright, so I just finished welding this in. It's definitely not the prettiest thing, but it works, and you know, I highly doubt this will ever come loose. I mean, it's hot, but point is, it's on there. Okay, so this is where we're at now. I did a bunch of trimming all over here, the cup holder. This is obviously where it's supposed to be. Put everything back the way it's supposed to go, and yeah, so this is all good. Now what we're gonna do is lift up the car on the lift before I connect any of the brake lines, and get rid of the old e-brake assembly, because that's where the brackets are going, and then weld the brackets in. Once we get those brackets in, then we can go ahead and get rid of, once we get the brackets in and the calipers, then we can run the brake lines. Alright, so we've got the car lifted now. Already took the wheel and the rotor off, as well as the caliper. Now we need to take these brake shields off on both sides, and we'll go from there. Alright, so basically, got the dust shield off. This is what it looks like. So this is the bracket for the dual caliper, and this is gonna sit basically like that. So what I'm gonna do now is clean the surface right here. And then next time you see me, I'll have a few tacks in place, or possibly I'll weld it up. Yeah. Alright guys, so I forgot to take a video of the welds, but it's on there. Both calipers are on now. I have the steel metal braided line connected to both sides. As you can see, the other one's hanging right there. Now what I need to do is figure out where I want to run them. These are obviously going to go to a T-fitting, which is this piece right here, and then this is going to go to the line that connects to the actual hydro inside the car. Alright guys, so connected everything. Basically I routed it under the seat, so it goes under this seat and routes through the tunnel, or above the tunnel, straight to the hydro right here. And then it's going through the e-brake boot. And since I took the e-brake out, that space is open, so yeah. Now I'm just gonna wait for Brendan to get back, and as soon as he gets back, we'll go ahead and bleed it. And yeah. Alright, again, I forgot to record, but we just finished bleeding it. It's solid. Made a fat mess, but this is the finished product. I'm gonna go test it. I'm not gonna test it in this video so that you guys can see it on the drift day. Thank you, Moni. Thank you, Brendan. Hey.
I charge to come out on your videos.
Wow. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what you guys want to see more of. We're about to do a 50 subscriber giveaway.
I'm at 73.
75 subscriber giveaway.
Oh, okay.
Put down in the comments what y'all want to see this young fine gentleman do. He's very hungry and tired right now, so the energy's here right now. You know, look at this, look at big bro, look at me. You know. So I'll say peace out and keep moving forward. That was it.